Hello everyone, welcome back to the Jimukai Teardown channel. Today, we're going to disassemble the Redmi Note 14 4G. From an external perspective, the Redmi Note 14 4G features a flat plastic back cover, with an ice-like smooth texture. Let's confirm the device information and settings before we dive in. Now that we've checked everything, let's begin the teardown. First, we heat the back cover to loosen the adhesive. Slide a thin blade along the edges to create a slight gap. Use a pry tool to lift and remove the back cover. After removing the back cover, unscrew all the screws you see. Eject the SIM tray. Next, gently pry and lift the middle frame. Remove the power button and volume button from the middle frame. Apply a dust-proof sticker to the rear camera for protection. Disconnect the battery flex cable and the main flex cable. Remove the rear camera assembly. Removing the front camera. Then remove the speaker assembly. Take out the fingerprint flex cable on the subboard. After disconnecting the main flex cable and display flex cable, detach the coaxial cables. Carefully lift the motherboard. Remove the earpiece. Then remove the charging board. Detach the vibrator. Take off the volume flex cable and power flex cable. Drip a bit of alcohol around the battery edges. Then carefully remove the battery. Remove the main flex cable. In the final step, heat the screen. Carefully work around the edges with a thin blade. Use a suction cup to open a small gap. And insert a transparent sheet to fully separate the screen from the front frame. That concludes the full teardown of the Redmi Note 14 for G. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more in-depth teardown videos and repair tips. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.